I'm reading this story with permission from Scholastic. Hi, friends, how are you? Guess what time it is? It's story time. And, friends, guess who chose the story for today? Who do you think it is? It wasn't me. I didn't choose this story. Somebody asked me, Miss Charles, can we please read this story to our friends? And I was like, I read it. And then I said, sure, we can read it. I think they'll love it. Guess who it was, friends? It was Chance. Hi, friends. How are you? Hi, Chance. How are you doing? I'm good. Well, Chance, we are going to read this story today. I think the friends are going to like it. Do you think they're going to like it? Mm-hmm. All right. So you sit over here in your chair and I'm going to read. Okay, friends, enjoy the story. All right, Chance, here you go. Let's sing our story time song. Ready? It's time for a story. It's time for a story. Open up, open up. It's time for our story. It's time for our story. Open up, open up. Friends, I think you're really going to love this story. What do you see? What do you see there? There's a dog. What is he holding? What is this? It's an envelope. And what's that right there? It's a stamp. A stamp. We have to put on a stamp. Why do we put a stamp on the envelope? Yes, so that we can pay for the envelope to be mailed, for our letter to be mailed. That's how you pay for it. You pay the postage. So the title says on the envelope it says, "Can I be your dog? Can I be your dog?" So this, do you think he wants to be somebody's dog? Yes, and if you get a dog, what is that called? If a dog comes and lives in your house, or a cat, or a mouse, or a hamster, or a fish, they are your what? Yes, they become your pet. Your pet. Miss Charles doesn't have pets. Remember, I told you last week I don't have any pets. But if I did have a pet, if I could choose one, I would choose a dog because I like dogs. So this story says, Can I Be Your Dog by Troy Cummings. He is the author and the illustrator. So he wrote the words and he drew the pictures. He's very talented. So let's read. Can I Be Your Dog? Wow, friends, look at all of these postage stamps. They are all related to dogs. There's a fire hydrant, there's some dog food, a dog bone, a dog toy, a dog house, a nice smiley sunshine, a stick, a dirty sock. There's a raccoon, a ball, airmail, there's a tree. Pretty cool. Can I be your dog? Look, friends, what's he doing? Looks like he's writing a letter. Is he an author? I never met a dog that was an author before. That's pretty cool. So here we go. Dear people at Yellow House, woof! Can I be your dog? I am potty trained and I have my own squeaky bone. Also, I love to play. I see you have a cat, but I'm willing to work with you. Who's a good dog? I am. Sincerely, Arfie. P.S. I know every house on Butternut Street, but I asked you first. So he wants the yellow house on Butternut Street to be his owners. He wants to be their pet. So there is the mail carrier. She's delivering the letter to Yellow House. What do you think they're going to say? Do you think they're going to let Arfie be their dog? Let's see. Okay, they replied. They wrote back to him. Dear Arfie, we are so sorry, but you cannot be our dog. Our cat is allergic to dogs. Good luck in your search, the Honeywells. So, how does Arfie look? How do you think he's feeling by his facial expression? Yes, he looks sad or disappointed because the Honeywell said, no, you can't be our pet. You cannot be our dog. You think he's going to stop there? Let's see. Oh, dear butcher lady, Can I be your dog? I think your butcher shop would be a great place for a puppy like me. I could keep the floor nice and clean. Arfie. So there's the mail carrier, and she's delivering the mail to the butcher shop. That's his letter. What do you think the butcher's going to say? Look, pal, I've got a bone to pick with you. Last time I let a dog into my shop, a dozen meatballs went missing. Sorry, but there's no way I'm taking in a pooch. Veronica Shank, butcher. P.S. No hard feelings. Enjoy these dry giblets and good luck finding a home. So Veronica Shank, who was the butcher, she said no because the last time she let a dog come into her butcher shop, the dog ate all the meatballs. So she said no. So how is Archie feeling? He still looks disappointed, but he's eating the giblets. That's the part of a chicken. Dear Fire Station number 5, can I be your dog? I can fetch your boots. Plus, let's just say I know my way around a fire hydrant. I sniffed out every single one on Butternut Street, and yours is the shiniest. Arfie. So you see the fire hydrant? So there's the mail carrier. She's delivering the letter to fire station number 5. Oh, they wrote a nice formal letter. You see that nice hand? Well, they typed it out using a computer. Dear applicant, thank you for your interest in working with the Butternut Street Fire Station. Unfortunately, the position of fire dog has already been filled. We will keep your letter on file. Best wishes in your search. Station number 5. So what did they tell Arfie? They told him, no, you cannot be our dog. We already have a fire dog. And what is Arfie doing to their fire hydrant? He's lifting up his leg. Looks like he's going to use the bathroom by their fire hydrant. Dear junkyard guy, I'm not gonna lie, you're my next to last choice, but these past few days have been rough. Rough, rough, rough. So please, can I be your dog? I don't eat much and I can bark if people try to steal your junk and stuff. Hopefully yours, Arfie. Butternut Dump. What do you think the dump place said, friends? Let's see. Dear Mutt, get lost. Friends, they were the meanest to Arfie. They told him to get lost, and they called him a mutt. That's not a nice word for a dog. Look at Arfie. He looks so disappointed. Dear last house on Butternut Street, can I be your dog? I see that your yard is full of weeds and your windows are broken and there's a funny smell, but I'm not picky, just lonely. Arfie. Friends, I don't know if I would want to be the pet of this house. Look at it. It's all boarded up. The windows are boarded, the doors. I wouldn't want to be their pet. But he felt like he had no other choice. They put return to sender. Nobody at this address. So sometimes when you mail a letter, friends, and if the person doesn't live at that address anymore, they will send the letter back to you. It says return to the sender, which would be you, and then you would try to either have to find the correct address or you just move on. So he was really sad. He's like, ow! He's howling in the rain. I feel bad for Arfie. I hope that he finds a home. It's raining. And he's all alone, friends. He's sleeping in a box. Will a cardboard box keep him safe? Is that a good shelter for a dog? I don't think so because cardboard gets wet in the rain. That's not a good shelter, right? Oh my goodness. When Arfie woke up, there's a letter on his box with a heart on it. He looks hopeful and excited. He's like, what? It says to Arfie. You see that? To Arfie. Dear Arfie, can I be your person? I need a friend who will be with me no matter what, snow, rain, heat, or gloom of night. And I see that you already know everyone on Butternut Street. I know you'll make a first class partner with hugs and head scratches, Mincy Wimple, letter carrier. If you agree, meet me by at the blue mailbox. So the mail carrier, who's been delivering the mails to the other families, decided that she wanted Arfie to be her dog. She wanted to be his person. So she's standing there and she's waiting. Do you see Arfie? Do you think he's going to come, friends? Let's see. There he is. He's running with the letter. And there he is with the mail carrier, Mitzi. It was love at first sight. Dear Mitzi, you know what? My tail has been wagging ever since I got your note. My answer is yes. Truly yours, Arfie. P.S. Woof. Scratch, scratch. So he wrote her a letter, and now they are together. And then, friends, these are all the places that they lived, and that's called a what? A neighborhood has different types of buildings. And guess what it says? Here's how you can help a homeless animal. Because Arfie was homeless, he didn't have a family. So you can adopt a shelter animal instead of buying a pet. You can volunteer at a shelter or a pet adoption event. You can spay or neuter your pet so there will be fewer fur babies to find a home for. You can donate to your local animal shelter or national animal advocacy group such as the American Society for Prevention of Cruelty to Animals, the ASPCA, or the Humane Society. Extend a helpful paw so all of our animal friends can find forever homes. Arfie. So he wrote you a note. See? He's telling you the different ways that you can help a doggy like him who doesn't have a home. So guess what? Now Miss Charles is going to show you how to draw a dog, okay? So first, you make a big circle, okay? And then you make two little circles for the eyes and color them in black. Give it a nose, circle nose, okay? And then you make two curved lines, one on the left and one on the right. And you can give it some dots, little dots. Then you make a tongue for the doggy, okay? And you color it in like that. Color in the tongue. I'll make it a little longer. And then you make two curved lines, one on the left and one on the right. And there you have a doggy. Okay? So you can try to draw yourself a dog today after you finish with the story, and you can show it to Miss Charles when I call you, all right? All right, friends, I'll see you next time. Bye bye.